Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Welcome to TechAZ. Today in this video, we'll see the detailed long usage review of this product, which is Beardo 3-in-1 trimmer. To be precise, exact model. Let's see here. This is 1 year ago. 1 year ago, right? I did the unboxing of this very same trimmer 1 month ago, 1 year ago, and now I want to share you the real user experience. What are the positive I felt and what are the negatives, not negatives, what are the cons I felt on this Beardo 3-in-1 trimmer. I have been using this for the past 1 year. Sorry, something spell here. Yeah, and see here, this is a 3-in-1 trimmer. The main reason I purchased this trimmer is because it can be used as a shaver, ear and nose also. For this one, see, just we can take out this head here. You see here, the head has been removed. Okay, now I'll be attaching this nose trimmer here, nose extension. For nose hairs, this can be used, right? Along with this, you can use this one also. This is for ears. Okay, this small blade, small length in blade. Okay, and there is a brush given here just to clean these blades. Okay, and what else? Extension clips are provided. Maybe here, these are the extension clips. Totally 4 were given, but I currently have 2. Maybe 2 I missed somewhere else. It will be there. Yeah. Coming to my real user experience, the first positive is it has a light indicator which indicates the charging, and the second is this comes with C-type charging, and the duration 120 minutes it is mentioned. Yes, this comes for like for my usage, for my personal usage. This comes like 7 to 8 times. Okay, for shaving. Okay, and coming to the motor, I won't say this is very powerful motor. I felt very medium only, but when you shave with this zero cut, the shave is excellent and awesome. But when you keep this in the extensions or the clips, it is okay, decent. I won't say excellent. On the zero shave, it is very fine and skin friendly also. No harsh or something like what I have experienced. I didn't experience anything like that. The blades are stainless steel blades, are smooth enough. Okay, not harsh. And when I keep the clips here, I need to shave a bit longer time for the perfect shave. That is not exactly a con. And coming to this one, nose, the main thing which attracted me to buy this Beardo Ape-X 3 is I can use this for nose also, but I felt this is not what I expected, in the sense it is cleaning the nose hairs also, but not that good as when you use this clip, this blade. It is okay, just okay. Okay, and coming to the battery, I am pretty much satisfied. Coming to the shaving purpose, I am pretty much satisfied. Charging also, I just can plug in my mobile adapter charger immediately, and the charging time is also less time and running time is also more. There are many positives except this few. What else? Up to 1 year, it is working perfectly fine, no issues at all. During the time of purchase, I got this like 970 rupees. Now it is showing 1049. Maybe you can check in the mobile app for more details. And the ratings also, overall ratings by other users were very good. Yeah. Please do comment which trimmer are you using and which trimmer do you want to buy. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day. For more details, I can attach in the view products list for this. Just to check the details, you can try it. Yeah.